So we now continue with the last part of the chapter similarity. Now in this part we have got two things. One is the enlargement of any particular object from a particular point. So if I see the enlargement is this way, that suppose I have got a point here and at a particular distance over here there is a triangle like this. Suppose this distance from here to here is x and another value at other point which is at the distance of another x, that is 2x. From here to here it is 2x. If I take the point, you will find that if I join this and take it forward, join this and take it forward, you will find that if this distance keeps on increasing, similarly if this is x and this is y, तो automatically यहाँ पे इसका ये value आएगा और इसका value यहाँ पे आएगा. So you will be getting a triangle of a bigger size as you go backwards, as you go further. Like it is simple thing, like हम लोग अगर एक टॉर्च लेते हैं, ओके, और समझो एक जैसे ये है, you can see the shadow over here. Now the shadow over here is smaller. The moment I go further, the shadow keeps on increasing. Why? Because as the point over here, the distance from this is keeping on increasing. So automatically when I am going towards the light, तो automatically that is going to keep on increasing. Like अगर इसका shadow जब भी होता है तो जितना दूर मैं screen रखूँगा तो shadow का size इतना बढ़ सकता है. So in this way, it will be seen that here, if you are keeping it at double the distance, then if this is A, this will be 2A. If this is B, this will be 2B. If this is C, this will be 2C. So accordingly, as you move away from a particular point, the enlargement of that particular object keeps on increasing in the same way as you are taking the distance. ये पहले distance x था, वो distance का 2x कर दिया, तो size of the object also keeps on increasing that way. So this is enlargement. So enlargement में क्या है? You are just, if you know one distance, if it is twice the original distance, then all the sides of the triangle, of a quadrilateral or a line will always become double of the original one. If it is 3 times, then everything becomes 3 times. If it is 4 times, everything becomes 4 times. That is the first part of the chapter, that is called as the size transformation. So in the size transformation, it will be seen over here that this distance, if it is A, if this is x and this is 2x, then if this is A, this will be 2A, this is 3A, 2A and 2C and 2B. Similarly, अगर 2x है and that's why the total distance is 3x, then if this is A, this will be 3A. This will be B, so this will be 3B. And this is C, so this will be 3C. Okay? So as you go further, the more that you go away, the bigger will be the size of that particular object. So that is called as enlargement. And this point over here is called as the center of enlargement. Or in case of a light, we are considering it as a light source. The source of light. Because source of light से जब जाते हैं तो shadow जो है, it is going to be formed in that particular manner. So the scale, then this particular value over here is called as the scale factor. The scale factor is the distance between the original distance, the ratio of the original distance to the new distance. That is the scale factor over here. The next one we see is the application in case of maps and models. Now in case of maps and models, you can see it this way, that we very well know. Now what is there in maps? कोई भी अगर मैप रहेगा तो मैप में क्या होता है? सबसे पहले तो we find out the distance, that is the length. So it is always this way that each and every map has got a ratio, or we can call it as a factor, okay, factor, and then we take it as k. So when you take the value of k, so there is a scale factor or the scale factor. So scale factor, now the scale factor, you are going to take k is equals to, that is what is given in the map. The map में समझो दिया है 1/200. That means 1 centimeter on the map is equals to 2 centimeters on actual size. Okay, so it's always this way. K factor is always as map upon actual. Okay, it is a map upon actual. That's what we have three formulas for this thing. First thing is length on map upon length actual is equals to K. That is 1 upon 200 या जो भी, right? So it will be K. So in this case it is 1 upon 200. The next is area on map upon area actual. Now we very well know area is what, length into breadth. So length into breadth है, इसका मतलब क्या, length के लिए भी K और breadth के लिए भी K, hence it is K square. So it will be 1 upon 40,000. Okay, that is area on map upon area actual. So because this is nothing but length into breadth. See, if length is K, we also have the width or the breadth map upon breadth actual is equals to K. So we know that length into breadth is area, area is length into breadth, so it is K into K, so K square, right? The next is volume. So volume में क्या आएगा भी, height भी आएगा, तो it will be K cube. So it will be volume on map, और of course ये map में नहीं होता volume, it is always on model. So it is model upon volume actual is equals to K cube. Okay, that is nothing but 1 upon 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this is the value, it is not necessary that it should be always 1:200, it could be 1:50,000 also. So this is just an example over here. This part over here is just an example. This over here is just an example. It is not the actual value. So it is this way. So you can see that in case of the values over here, you'll always have length of map upon length of actual, or area map upon area actual, or it is volume map upon model upon volume actual. That is equals to K square or K cube. And what is K? K is 1 upon this. That is what is the ratio given for that particular map or that particular model. Like for example, if I take a model of a car and the car के model में उसमें लिखा हुआ रहेगा कि 1:300, उसका मतलब क्या हुआ, 1 centimeter on that particular model is equals to 300 centimeters on the actual car. Got it? So if I measure that the bonnet is 10 centimeters in my model, then automatically the bonnet in case of the actual car is 10 into 300, जैसे करके जो भी मैं क्या बताता, I don't know, 300, yeah, 300. So 300 into 10, so it will be 3000 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, if I want to find out the area of a particular thing, so area of the, let's say windshield का area मुझे ढूंढना है. So area, if I found out that it was equal to 100 centimeters square on the, or 10 centimeters square on the model, then it will be equal to 10 into 300 into 300, ऐसे करके 90,000 centimeters square on the actual car. So this is how we are going to see. When we see the sums, it will be much easy. They are very easy. In fact, not only it is easy, but surprisingly, these are the questions which are normally asked in the boards. Boards prefer the questions of scales in case of similarity. And that makes it more easier for you also. So they will be giving you the example like this: a model of a ship, a scale is 1:200, or the map is 1:50,000. तुम लोग जब भी टोपोग्राफी करते हो तो उसमें नीचे जो RF scale जो लिखा रहता है, that is nothing but the scale what we are talking about. The RF scale what is there is nothing 1:50,000 या 1:40,000 जो भी है, that is the actual scale factor. So very easy part we have got over here. So let's see the exercise 15D now. So we are on exercise 15D. We have the first term, A triangle ABC has an enlarged by scale factor m is equals to 2.5. So it is given that m is equals to 2.5 2.5. That's a scale. So triangle ABC is enlarged to triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay. So we know that it is in the same ratio, so it is AB upon A dash, or we can say A dash B dash upon AB is equals to M. So it is given that A dash B dash is 6 and AB we need to find out when M is equals to 2.5. So AB will be equal to 6 upon 2.5. Okay, that will be 60 upon 25. 25 twos are, and then 100. So 2.4 centimeters. Okay, so exercise 15D, first sum is 2.4. Understood this method? It is enlarged value upon original value is equals to the magnification. So that is M is this way. Okay, image upon object की बोल सकते हो, that is equals to magnification. The next one is CA. So we have over here AC dash upon AC is equals to 2.5. So A dash C dash upon 4 is equals to 2.5. So A dash C dash is equals to 2.5 into 4 is equals to 10 centimeters. That was sum number 1. Okay, very easy. Then we move on to sum number 3. A triangle ABC is enlarged above the point O at the center of enlargement. The scale factor is 3. So we are given that scale factor M is equals to 3. First part is A dash B dash upon AB is equals to M. We need to find out A dash B dash when AB is equals to 4 is equals to 3. So A dash B dash is equals to 12 centimeters. This is the second one. B dash C dash upon BC is equals to M. 15 upon BC is equals to 3. So BC is equals to 15 upon 3 is equals to 5 centimeters. The third one, OA and O dash. So O dash upon OA is equals to M. OA dash is 6 upon OA is equals to 3. So OA is equals to 6 upon 3 is equals to 2 centimeters. Okay, we now see the fourth part. So fourth part is O dash C dash upon OC is equals to M. So it is OC dash upon 21 is equals to 3. So OC dash is equals to 21 into 3 is 63 centimeters. Also state the value of O dash. So fifth one, A dash OB is equals to M is equals to 3, and again the same thing, C dash A dash upon CA is also equal to M is equals to 3. Okay, so we see the answers first. For sum number 3 is 12, 5, 2, 63, 3 and 3. Okay, that's the answer for the chapter array, sum number 3 of 15D. We now have the sum number 5. The dimensions of a model of a multi-story building are 1.2 meters, 75 centimeters and 2 meters. If the scale factor is 1:3. So it is given that model length is equals to 1.2 meters is equals to 120 centimeters. Breadth is 75 centimeters. Height is equals to 2 meters is equals to 200 centimeters. K is equals to 1 upon, it's given as 30. Okay. We need to find out the actual dimension of the building. So we know that length map model upon length actual is equals to K. So that gives me 120 upon actual. We take it as capital L is equals to 1 upon 30. So capital L is equals to 20 into 30, 120 into 30. That is equals to 3600 centimeters is equals to 36 meters. Similarly for breadth, we know that breadth upon breadth is equals to K. So breadth is 75 upon B is equals to 1 upon 30. So B is equals to 75 into 30. That's 2250 is equals to 22.5 meters breadth. Similarly, height upon H is equals to K. Height is 200 upon H is equals to 1 upon 30. So capital H is 200 into 30 is 6000. Okay. That equal to 60 meters. So length is equals to 36 meters, or we can say dimension. Dimension is equal to 36 meters into 22.5 meters into 60 meters. That's the value of the dimensions of the building. So it is 36, 22.5 and 60 meters. This was sum number 5. Now we move on to sum number 7. Last sum for the chapter. Okay, so sum number 7. A model of ship with a scale is equal to, so K is equals to 1 upon 300. The length of the model in the ship is 2 meters. So it is given that length, so first part, length model is equals to 2 meters. So we have over here length model upon length actual is equals to K. So 2 upon length actual is equals to 1 upon 300. Therefore length actual is equals to 300 into 2 is equal to 600 meters. Second part. The area of the deck of the ship is 1,80,000 meters square. So area deck is equals to 1,80,000 meters square. So we know that area model upon area actual is equals to K square. So area deck on model upon 1,80,000 is equals to 1 upon 300 the whole square. So area deck model is equals to 1 into 180,000 upon 300 into 300, 3 6 and 2, that will be 2 meters square. The answer is 2 meters square will be the area of the deck on the model. Finally, volume of the model is 6.5 meter cube. So we have third part, volume model is equal to 6.5 meter cube. So we have volume model upon volume actual is equal to K cube. So it is 6.5 upon volume actual is equal to 1 upon 300 the whole cube. So volume actual is equal to 6.5 into 300 into 300 into 300. So that will be 6.5 into 27. 3 is 9 and 27. Yeah. 6.5 into 27. So 35, 42, 45, 0, 10, 12, 13. So 5, 5, 7, 1. So it will be 175.5. So 0.5 and then 6 zeros. So ये चला गया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This much meter cube. Okay, so that is this way. 17 crores, 55 lakhs. Okay. So let's see the answer. We see it as 600 meters, 2 meters square and 1755,000,000 meter cube. So that was the sum number 7 and end of exercise 15D. So this also ends the chapter similarity, right? So there are 7 videos. Of course, the last 2 are very small. But anyways, these are the 7 videos which completes the chapter similarity. Okay, your last exercise, that is exercise 15E, is your homework. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.